Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to increase shiny odds on Pokemon Sleep. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically here it's been 5 years since the announcement of Pokemon Sleep. So now I'll show you how to get more odds on how you can get also the shiny Pokemon in Pokemon Sleep. So the first tip I have for you guys is feeding Snorlax during the day. So raising the sleeping Snorlax with berries and cooked food will enhance its luring power and attract more shiny Pokemon. And then you can also get at least 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep to get the best results. You should also stack up on great biscuits and at least another type of biscuit too. So that's just one of the things you should do in Pokemon Sleep, since it's pretty low chance of getting one. So it's like 0.2% in 1 out of 500 to get a shiny Pokemon here in Pokemon Sleep. So those are the things you should do by just feeding Snorlax in the day by tapping his belly. But I haven't unlocked that yet since I'm not yet level 12. And those are just the things you should do in Pokemon Sleep. And thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.